What is a Cash App cashtag? Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on what is a Cash App cashtag. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. A cashtag is a unique identifier for individuals and businesses using Cash App. Cashtags are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Your cashtag must include at least one letter and be no longer than 20 characters. To claim a cashtag, you must also have an active debit card linked to your Cash App. The caching is used when choosing a cashtag is how it will display publicly. However, cashtags are not case sensitive, and if the cashtag you prefer has already been claimed, you will need to choose another cashtag. A cashtag could also be unavailable because it contains symbols, dashes, or spaces. So, this was a quick tutorial about Cash App cashtag. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.